Hello everyone, today is Abai Kunanbayev, a Kazakh poet, philosopher, musician, public educator, public figure, founder of Kazakh writing literature, and its first classic reformer of culture in the spirit of rapprochement with European culture based of all the culture of indigenous Islam. In black and so how did we do? Did we was the test of time? Did we make the most of our lives with the all the all the ups and downs, the laughter and the tears and the arguments and the debaters? We've seen it all, haven't we? We've witnessed the beauty and the kindness in people, and we've learning that one has a flowers bed now as the winter in the middle of our lives. We were faced with the questions: how do we move forward? What do you want next? Honestly, I don't have the answer there. It's about patriotism. Nah, I don't have any strong feelings towards my country. If someone says willing the sacrifice themselves for a cause, or that they're passionate about the same thing as them, I don't have that kind of fire burning inside me, and with them because I feel like I'm missing out on something. Is it about with? Nope. I don't care about money. Kids, they are so focused and making money for themselves. But when it comes to me, I can't see the after wheels, power, or the material possessions, and the everyone seems to desire. I don't have the drift to accumulate more or the more in my life. Is it about knowledge? We'll talk about knowledge. Want to make your knowledgeable. Who are you teaching when you already know something? And who are you asking when you don't know something? What good is of read country's book and the game knowledge? You can better action. Knowledge is only useful when this can be applied. Is it about its spirituality and the religion? No, that is not either. It's a figure peace of mind which I don't have. This is no tranquil in my heart, no matter how hard I try. So, what's the point of the spirituality and the religion? Is the country is in this world? It's what raising children. No, I don't care about that. It's easy. I used to care, but I don't know the true meaning of raise children or what it entails. Where do they go? What do they do? I don't have the answers. I can't figure out how to properly raise our own children. In the end, I relations that a code white down is the thoughts is paper in black and white, and still would make a difference. I could argue with someone, write it down, read and even if they said it was necessary. I want to call my own words, but in the end I don't matter. No, I don't have to answer what to do. Thank you.